all know this elevator. This is the ThyssenKrupp Impulse at Union Square. Let's take it for a ride. Installed in 2003. Here's your certificate. Take it for one more ride. Now let's get a look out here. So as you can tell, Solfex complex has multiple buildings. That right there is a really nice brewery. And over in that building is the Bucks County Children's Museum. And there are 2 Schindler HTs in that building over there. I'm probably not going to be able to film them though because I don't have time. And today is Sunday. Let's go back down. And it left. I guess it parks on the first floor. This is definitely a ThyssenKrupp. This is not a Dover. You can tell by the long buzz, this is not a Dover. That's it.